There are 2 North Dakota rules that nearly every landlord form template in the country gets wrong, and both of them matter. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. First, entry in North Dakota requires the tenant's consent. It is not a 24-hour notice state, so a generic notice to enter form misstates the law. Second, repair and deduct requires the landlord's agreement. It is not a unilateral tenant right. Beyond those, deposits are capped at 1 month's rent, rising to 2 if the tenant is a felon or has a judgment against them, with a 30-day itemized return. Non-payment runs on a 3-day notice of intent to evict. Bounced check fees are capped at $40, and abandoned property gets a 28-day wait. No North Dakota judiciary page ranks for this search at all. The whole field is commercial template sites, most walled off. Our free North Dakota Landlord Forms Hub gets the consent rule right on every fillable PDF. At tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com, we run credit, criminal and eviction reports same day, no monthly fees. Get your free North Dakota forms and screen your next tenant at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.